Hello everyone, today I will be showing you how to use the electronic balance. When the screen is blue, tap on the screen, and it will turn on. There is a power button, a zero button, and a tear button. While using the balance, we want to keep all doors closed unless we are placing something inside or removing something from the balance. The balance has 3 doors, one on either side and one on the top. You can press either the T or the zero button to zero out the balance. Take away boat and put it on the balance. Verify that all doors are closed and press the T or 0 button. The reading on the screen will be 0.000 grams. Remove the weigh boat from the balance and use a clean spatula to add solid to the weigh boat. Be sure to recap any open container. We are then going to open one of the doors and put the weigh boat with the solid inside. Close all of the doors. The balance reads 1.399 grams, which is the mass of the solid. Record all the digits on the balance in your lab notebook. If any material spills onto the balance, use the brush to clean the balance. While taking the mass of a solid or liquid, use the same balance and have all materials prepared and close to the balance before you begin.